Hi everybody, it's Tommy, the first owner. Okay, so basically what we want to talk about is I'm going to be showing you how to make coloring today. So here we go. Okay, so basically what you're going to want to do first is see this thing right here, the number 1? You're going to want to click on that and hit color. Okay, now what you're going to do is pick any color that you want. So, for example, we're going to do, okay, we'll do that blue. Okay, now what you're going to want to do is going to give you these options. Now what you're going to want to do is hit add mask. And I prefer to use the star, or you could use this one, but the star is more perfect. And see the edges right here? The edges on the star, you're gonna want to go to like that on the side of the corner of this on this thing, and it should look like that, but you can like move it around and angle it however you want it to. Just make it look perfect like that. And if you want to keep on adding more, just do the same thing, just like repeat like this. Well, add mask, shape, flip it over just a little bit, straighten it out. Okay, that looks weird, but we need to edit a little bit more. Zoom in. Okay, maybe a little bit backwards. A little bit more. Okay, and it should look like this. If you want to do the other sides and the corners and all that, you can do that. And I'll still show you, but it's like just repeat, just do the same thing, and that's basically how you do it. So I mean, it shouldn't be this hard. It's like really easy. So yeah, and maybe I'll post this at the end of the video. Maybe I'll give it to you guys for free, because I taught you how to make it. So it should kind of look like this. It should have a circle in the middle, but you can make it any way you want it to. So basically that's it. I hope you guys like this video. Leave a like, comment, and share. And our social medias will be down in the description box. Not link, description box. Alright, see you guys next time. Bye.